Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. My name is Khristy Sherrell. I am your official backyard ambassador for Recteq. I should have said tailgate ambassador because this is a tailgate appetizer. It's a tailgate appetizer. I found this recipe online and I figured I would change it up a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna do bacon wrapped pickles. Yes! Doesn't get any more football than that. Bacon wrapped pickles. This is all you need. Pickles and bacon and some Recteq competition rub. That's it. So let's get started. This is all we need to do. We're gonna take some bacon, try to get it out of the package. Man, it's like child-proof. It's like they don't want me to have heart problems. All right, I'll show you how to do one, and then we'll speed up the process and we'll show them all, okay? Take a piece of bacon, I'm gonna cut it in half. So now we have 2 pieces of bacon. I got Famous Dave's spicy pickles. Spicy pickles. You want some big dill pickles like this. All right. Get you a pickle. Lay it right there. Fold over the bacon. Fold over the bacon. And put the seam down. Boom. That's it. This piece of bacon here. Fold, fold. Done. There's 2 of them. All right, so we have the RT-340 set at 275, and we are gonna put these bacon wrapped pickles on there for about 30 to 45 minutes until the bacon renders down and crisp up and all that good stuff. If you are looking for a hell of a smoker for tailgating, the RT-340 is the only way to go, in my opinion. The legs fold up, perfect for tailgating, goes right in the back of the truck. It's the perfect smoker. I love it. It's probably my favorite smoker out of all of my smokers that I have here. After you wrap the pickles and you put them on the rack, you're gonna hit them with a little rub. All right, in about 30 to 45 minutes, we are gonna have the ultimate tailgating appetizer, the bacon wrapped spicy pickle. It's been about 30 minutes, and we are gonna add something to these pickles. First, we're gonna look at them, see how they're going. Oh man, look at that bacon starting to render up. Usually you'll use ranch dressing for fried pickles or an appetizer or something like that, but this is Texas Brew and Barbecue, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite barbecue sauces. This is Meat Mitch Womp Sauce. Look it up, get you some. I promise you will love it. Thank me later. We're gonna take it and we're gonna mop it and then let it go for another 15 minutes. Let's put a little touch on each one. So we're gonna do half of them, and then the other half we'll just dip. You might be a dipper, you might not be a dipper. See what happens. All right, 15 more minutes. Oh yeah. Those look beautiful. All right, let's take them out, put them over here. A little warm. If you're wondering how I got that, it wasn't magic. It was a cotton glove and a nitro glove, Amazon. Those things are absolutely beautiful. But you know what? This can't be Texas Brew and Barbecue unless we open up a brew. And this is tailgating. And the newest beer to Texas is Yuengling. Thank you for finally bringing it here. Here we go. Cheers. Man, that's good. Moment of truth. Here we go. Spicy pickle wrapped in bacon with some Meat Mitch Womp sauce on it. Look at that. Bacon is all crispy. Man, game over. You gotta make these. So good, so good. Till the next episode, guys. Cheers.